forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jones Sports.
Now it's Imus versus Binyan. Ronnie Alonte will check in for the first time in the 6th season of our league. But you're no stranger to actually seeing his name on the roster of Binyan. There you are. 2 minutes and 20. Lead is 10. Ronnie Alonte. Back to Robbie Manalang. 9 on the shot clock. Mangahas. Ronnie's wide open. They go to him. Alonte fakes. You can see that he can move. Kick out. Poy. Yes, sir. Two good friends connecting in the previous possession for Binyan. On the other hand, a three-pointer missed by Imus.
Yan. Ayun ang sinasabi na ito yung kailangan i-prevent ng Imus. Once this play goes open, dyan na makakascore, dyan magkakaroon opportunity.
Now we take a look at our buenas play of the game. Ronnie Alonte. Drive and feed to Poy Akub. So far, Alonte is not looking like any joke in this league. Spinning and missing. Poy getting the board. Open court. Here we go. Poy Akub. The feed. Alonte is fouled. 2 free throws for Ronnie Alonte. That's fast.
Sabi niya shiftiness na rin ni Poy.
Since last season to be even more acquainted in organized basketball. I'm sure the same goes. First free throw is good.
This guy can play.
Yes, he can. Actually, if you would watch the Celebrity Games held once a year by his group, makikita mo naman talaga, may galaw yan si Ronnie Alonte. 1 out of 2 though. Here's Poy on the move. Akub still has it. The feed, Ronnie Alonte. No good. Rebound Popovich.
Welcome back to the MPBL. Finally, Ronnie Alonte is now here in the MPBL as a homegrown of Binyan. Mix, natanong mo kanina kung bakit ngayon lang natin siya nakita. And that's because he actually went to rehab for his ACL last year in preparation for this season. But right before their first game, he suffered an ankle injury. Biro nga niya kanina, parang hindi siya masyadong nakatulog sa sobrang excited. Kahit nasanay siya sa mga celebrity games with huge crowds, ina-acknowledge ni Ronnie yung difference in system, level of competition, and even physicality. For his supportive girlfriend, Lois Andalio, long time coming ito dahil ito raw talaga ang pangarap ni Ronnie kung hindi siya nakapag-artista. After all, we are about giving second chances for the hopes and dreams of our talented players, right, Mix and Coach Louie?
Well, his first chance was actually with Perpetua Laguna as Ronnie Alonte misfires from downtown. So he played in the NCAA South when he was in grade school and high school. But only 1 year in high school. They're no joke. These last 2 minutes are brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas. There was a foul on the drive of Ronnie Alonte.
Kasi you can tell yung skill sets ni Robles get close to his season average.
On the other end, it's Ronnie Alonte. No foul there. He recovers. Alonte, that was an opening already. He fires. No good.
Hindi niya nakita
He was so ready to shoot a 3. Alley-oop. Sumido scores again. He's up to 18. Well, for sure, there would be more changes for them because they're not even complete as of yet. CJ Luengo will score. 6 seconds to go. Ronnie Alonte wants a breakaway. Here's a layup. No good. But there's a foul. 2 free throws for Ronnie Alonte. Coach Boyd even wants an unsportsmanlike foul.
Again, no more reviews.
Alright, Ronnie Alonte.
Hard-earned para.
That's right. He has 1 point so far in this game. First free throw is good as he hears it from the crowd on his first MPBL game in his career. The former player of Perpetua Laguna under Coach Vic Escudero, playing in the NCAA South. Second one is good. He will finish with 3 points.
Grabe yung backspin din ng tira niya. Tira niya
That's it. So Binyan will win this